Hello. This week is a very short week for me because, as you know, we having the World Cup of football, soccer if you want to say. But actually, by the way, can you please, Americans, tell me why it called soccer? Because it's played with the foot, you know, so, and it started in England and they call football. That's right. Move on. So this week Brazil has 2 games, today and Friday. So I'll have almost no time to record a very nice video. But I like to record this video, and I had a chance for a quick ride, and I was inspired to use this very short time to ride by you. Yes, I've received so great comments about you guys that haven't riding road, I don't know how to say in English. You haven't been riding, okay, in years like 20, 35 years, 45 years, and decide to buy a bike again. Is that cool? Or you did rode you did rode your bike for commute, and since you retired, didn't use it again, you know, was just getting dust on top, and now you decide to ride again. Is that cool? Oh, I love it. I love it. I love that the channel spread and inspire to go back riding. That is so neat. I love riding my bike, and riding a bike is so good for the body, for the mind, you know, and for the soul. Yes, because, well, that depends where you ride. Okay, I do agree. If you ride in the middle of the city, you get, you know, but if you find a very nice track, you know, a bike path that goes into the woods or next to the beach, like this one, so good. Oh, so good. Please, please, every little time that you have, ride a bike. And because this week is so short, you know, because we have 2 days of game, yes, soccer games, football game. Brazil, you know, we cheer a lot. I'm gonna show you in the end of the video. I'm gonna watch the games with my friends from the beach tennis. Yeah, I know, I'm hooked. I want to play beach tennis all the time. But I do, you know, bicycle, beach tennis, bicycle, beach tennis. Actually, can do both, because like one of the place that I play is like 2.5 kilometers, so I ride my bike. Is that cool? Bicycles are great, great, great.
Now it's rush hour. so many cars.
And by the way, every time that you see a place that's beautiful, stop, enjoy it. Yeah, you know, life is short. We must enjoy life. Well, I received so many comments about your bikes and everything. Last week, I done a video about my dream bike. Yes, I would love to be fuchsia, to have 11 gears fine, but you know, 14 gears, belt, titanium parts because of the beach. And I received so many great comments from you guys that I thought was so neat. You know, people that start riding again, about how when they bought their bike, and it inspired me to open a Twitter account. Yes, why Twitter? Because on Twitter I can post it and you can answer me with photos, with images. And we cannot do this in YouTube, we cannot do it on Instagram, but so here is my Twitter account. Please post it. I'm gonna make a tweet just telling about my bike, and if you like, please post about your bike or your dream bike, or why you got back riding, or why you stopped riding. You know, some people stop riding but still like to see videos about riding. So let's get back riding, because today is a short day. Brazilian game, it's at 1 o'clock, and we're gonna get together around midday and cheer for it. Yeah, Brazilians really love soccer, football. I'm not that. I prefer riding my bike, surfing, playing beach tennis, volleyball, swimming. But on World Cup, we're all Brazilians and we all love soccer. Yeah, believe me. Let me show you. I came to a beach tennis arena, and you're wondering where is everybody? Well, let me show you. They are playing here, and that's it, because everybody's there waiting for the game to start. Finish the game. Cameron's made it one goal, so we're losing it right now. And people and we start playing beach tennis. So if you did like this video, it's a short one, but I couldn't make anything longer today. Thumbs up, and please subscribe, be part of it. Will be a longer and better one. Bye bye.